Thank you for reminding me. Way I forward. Yeah. So right now we have covered all the charts like this cards, these multi-row, as well as filter table, as well as maps, field map. These area we have covered. So now we move to a table. What? Why we use to table? Okay. So simple table. I have already told you that what is the simple table. Like you need to just on this area need to drag it because we don't need this area right now. Okay. So in the order, like in this table, we have just a value field. Under the value field, we have put all the drag and drop, all the field which we need. Like I have told you, the one is subcategory, subcategory as well as sales, as well as the profit, as well as quantity. See, when we click, all the table is going to make. So we need to some of the like size because size of the table is very small. So text size is see text size is increasing as per your requirement. Suppose I need a 50 as well as there is a column header. Well, column header size also increasing like column header means this one. And when you increase the size, see it's increasing. Okay, so you need to format the table as per your requirement, and it is just a simple table. And I am showing one simple thing here. Like if you need alphabetically order, then see here is the alphabetical order A to Z. As well as if you need the higher sale amount is in the above area and in the decreasing order, then you need to click there. See higher sales, higher less than okay. And as well as you need to profit in the descending order. See higher profit as well as you need the higher quantity and you need to put it here, higher quantity. So these are the simple area like in which we create a table. So what is the main part of the table? How to format the table or how to do a conditional formatting. So can you tell me what is conditional formatting? In Excel, you have done all the conditional formatting. You know, in Excel, you have done if area like if is the area is this area, then sales would be this and profit would be this and quantity would be this. Okay, here we are in Excel, you have conditioned the multiple if formula as well as index match. This kind of is a conditional formatting. But here, the conditional formatting is just drag and drop and put it some field over there. What is conditional formatting? I will show you. Like you need to click over there, visualization, copy, copy, and the next page you need to paste. Okay. So suppose here there in the formatting tab, there is a one option, conditional formatting. It is a very mainly used in the table. As per your table, if you showing the conditional formatting, it will look like yeah, as per the conditional formatting, you are making the presentation to the colleagues or to the manager. Like these are the areas related to conditional formatting which we covered in the table. Like this, there is a formatting unto the subcategory sales, profit, and quantity. So you need to conditional formatting over the numerical part. Okay, so put it here from sales. Suppose we need to transfer the conditional formatting on the sales, then from which area? Like sales from how many ways? See background color, font color, data bar, icons, and web URL. These five types. If you click on the background color, see there is a background color on. Higher is the sales, higher is the color. Lower is the sales, lower is the color. This is the conditional formatting and it's automatically. When you change the data from your background, suppose if binder is changed after the sometime, suppose if binder change to the higher sales, then higher color given to the binders. As per the, it is the automatic conditional formatting. Otherwise, in the Excel, you need to put it some formulas related to this, but here you don't need to formula. You need to just drag and drop and click over there. And there is some advanced filter also under the background. Like click on the advanced. The new window is open now. See, the new window is open. So as per your requirement, the minimum is the lowest value. Then what is the color? Suppose lowest value you need to put this color, and the highest value you need to put this color, and you can change the color as well as. Okay, this is the conditional formatting of cells as per background color. If you put it back, if I need to conditional formatting cells by font color, see, okay, and it's font color. See, higher the cell, higher the font color. Lower the cell and lower the font color. You know, lower the, it means the blue color is not showing in the lower cells. It means you have to do some advance. What is, you need to change the color as well. Black, you need to put it black as well as you need to put it black and copy. See, higher the cells, higher the colors as per your requirement. Otherwise, you need to choose any color which you need. Suppose this one and this one. See, any doubt in this? That how to? It is very easy to make a conditional formatting under the table. Like I will show you next. Suppose if we do click on the table, go to formatting. There is an option here, conditional formatting. Go to the profit. Okay, right now we are doing a conditional formatting on profit. Right now we are doing with data bars. What is data bar? See, higher higher the profit, higher the field area is filled, like this area. Higher, lower the profit and lower the area is filled. And then the minus, there is no area. See, there is a minus, minus, and minus. These are minus, and these are the positive areas. As well as these are known as data bars, as well as you done with the advanced, like positive bars you will show as a suppose green. Okay, so you need a green color. This one, and negative bar you need to choose a red one. And okay, see, positive as well as negative. This is a great conditional formatting. And as well as in quantity, suppose in the quantity level, suppose in the quantity we need to same do one thing. Choose here from quantity, and here we need to use the icons. What is the icon? See, this is the icons. Higher the sales as well as in icon, there is the also advanced control. Then here is the condition. 0 to 33% is red, 33 to 67 is yellow, and 67 to 100 is circle. So you need to change as per your requirement, right? We need 0 to 33 is down arrow, and 33 to 67 is this arrow, and here is the green arrow. And put it okay. See, it's changed. Okay, so as per your requirement, you need to change the conditional formatting, and for this conditional formatting, you need to present your skill on the PPT. Because if you make this kind of report into the Power BI, then your main task is start. What is the main task? You need to copy the visualization into the PowerPoint and put it somewhere, explain the area like in which there is a two quantity like more than 5,000 showing in the area of, what is the area? In the area of 67 to 100%. Means the two area means the two quantity, but the means binder and papers are the area which cover the 67 to 100% quantity ordered, as well as furniture, furnishing, phone, storage. These kind of area are covered only more than 33 to 66%, and this area is less than 33%. Okay, so these are the area you need to cover on the PPT, and that's why you need to make a visualization. You need to just snipping tools and put it together as a snipping and put it on the PowerPoint on the top part and write it from here, like what are the area you need as well as your requirement. Any doubt in this conditional formatting? Because there is a just simple option. As per your field, you need to put it here like sales, profit, quantity. Like under the sales, we have done the which one? Suppose in sales, we will done as per data bars. Okay. So under the sales, see, higher the sales means higher the data bar file field. As per as lower the sales means and lower the data bar field. Any doubt? Anyone relating to this? Vinay, Surinder, Shubham, Manish, Kumar, any doubt? Read. Tell me, Harish, tell me, any doubt? Kumar, hello, can you hear me all? Is there any problem with your voice?
Yes, yes.
No, no, no doubt.
I mean,
Yeah, tell me, yeah, Surinder, tell me.
no doubt. No, it's so far it's good. We'll try. Yes, yes.
Okay, 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 okay. Shall we move further?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes,
So in
Harish.
the next page, I will do some of the next table. What is the next table? Next table name is a matrix table. So what is matrix? Actually, what is the simple name of the matrix? What is matrix? Can you tell me? In the class, I think in the just 12th or 11th standard, maybe some of you are knowing the word matrix.
Uh, I guess the pattern of the flow of changes, you can say.
Yeah, matter of the flow changes as well as matrix is used only when we need a row data as we need a column data also. Okay, but here like in the sheet 12,
Yes.
in the page 12, we need a just a column, just a row data. But we don't need a column wise data. Like sales is for total. Suppose there is a binder. Okay, total subcategory is binder. Suppose binder is sales in all over the countries where India, US, Japan, China, and these are the column wise data, and we need extract data after the sales. So we need to use a matrix like column wise as well as row wise. Okay, so what are the fields? Suppose click on the visualization, see rows, columns, and values. But in the table, only value. See, when we click on the table, it shows only value. It means we have put it the together value, 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 and put it the table into the cleanest form. Title on as well as border on, show, shadow on. See, it's a very good table showing. You will do conditional formatting as your own that what are the scenario you need as per your requirement or as per your Excel or as per your presentation skill. Conditional formatting is the same. Okay. So there is a one more thing like I told you. Suppose in the tool tab, how to add one conditional formatting. Like in the conditional formatting, see, suppose you will do under the sales is the bar. Right now we are done with the data bars. Okay. So choose here, suppose icons. Suppose we need icons here as well as data bars as well as icons. So, okay. So we need to advanced control and see there is a new rule. Here we need to add new rule as per our requirement. That 0 to 20 is red, 20 to 50 is yellow, 67 to suppose 20 to 50 is yellow, it is uh, light green, and 80 to 100 is a dark green. You need to put it as well as requirement. Okay. So there is a new rule added. So in the third page 13, we need to put a matrix table. Matrix table is what? Click on the visualization, rows, columns, as well as values. So we need sales under the values. Okay. Rows means we need a subcategory in rows. And under the value, suppose we need a region. Okay. See, there is a matrix convert and put it here and size increasing the style table is increasing. See, it's increasing as well as column header. Now it is a simple matrix table. Okay, because as per central, east, south, and west, and total sale is here. So here we need not, here we have not option to decrease or increase. Here we need option. See, total. As per total, we have option here. Okay. Suppose in this table we have also same formula related to conditional formatting. Go to here. There is a one more rule, conditional formatting. And as per our requirement, that what are the area regarding sales, and under the sales we have only sales value, then sales, and suppose we need a data bars, or what is we need to, suppose we need a background color. See, as per our requirement, see, the higher the sales in which region, east, higher the sales in which region, west. Storage higher sales is 71, is its table higher sales is 84. As per your requirement, you have shared your data requirement. As well as suppose we need to background of, then we move to the suppose data bars. See, higher the sales in which region? East region. Higher the sales is chair, this region. And you need to change the color as per your requirement. Like positive color is for green. You need to light green. Negative color is for red. Okay. See, there is a option green as well as you need to make a profit also here on the basis of sales. Suppose if we move the sales value here and put it profit here. See, there is a profit and we need to suppose conditional formatting again. Conditional formatting on the basis of profit and on the basis of data bars. See, advanced positive is for green and negative is for red. See, positive area is this one and put it together. See, there is a positive and here is a loss area. It is very good for a conditional formatting area that we have covered all the metrics in the area. So any doubt related to tables? Because these two table is known for a conditional formatting, as well as in the PPT we will show these kind of table, like copy this visualization and put it right after there, that in which area binder we lost. Suppose in the binder center region we have a loss. In the appliance center region we have a loss, as well as furnishing we have a loss. Machines we have a loss in three regions: south, central, as well as west. In the fastener we don't have loss all the profits but less profit. Supplies all the two are the profit, and I think this one is also a profit and profit. This on the books we have a three region loss, and higher loss is table under the east category, and least loss is this one. This one, supplies under the east category. For this one also, because binder is also under the center region, it is the least loss and it is the highest loss. This kind of data you need to present in a PPT. Okay, then I will show you how to present a PPT later. But this kind of visualization we cover under my training. Like visualization is cover most of the visualization. Now we need to cover some of the line chart as well as some of the bar chart. I will tell you. See, there is some pie chart. So, can anyone tell me when we use pie chart? Anyone? When we use pie chart?
When you have to analyze the percentage, exact percentage,
Right,
ratios.
percentage. Yeah, right, percentage. But suppose if we have, yeah, right, tell me.
Yeah, or we want to compare anything with the other thing at the time also.
Okay. But I have one question related to pie chart. That in which type of category, in which type of scenario we need to cover. Suppose pie chart is used for percentage, right? It's good. But I know I want to ask one thing, that pie chart is used for how many length category or how many column category. Like suppose in the world there is a 100 of country. So can we select 100 of country into the pie chart? Is it okay?
No.
Because 100 of country showing the pie chart, it will some mess ups. So we need used to pie chart just for 5 to 6 category, in which we have just to 5 to 6. Suppose we have 4 regions: east region, central region, south region, and west region. We use a pie chart. Okay, suppose we have just 4 country data: US, India, China, and Japan. Okay, then we need a use to pie chart, because in the large data you don't use pie chart. Always take care. Always take care that please don't use pie chart on the large data. Like I have shown you, under the pie chart, sales in here is the total sales, and I want to sales by category and showing the category into the data. See, here is three categories. Like first is technology, furniture, and office core. Okay, so that's why I have told you that only just a six category, then you need to use a pie chart till six. Till more than seven, more than six, you don't need to use the pie chart. Okay, because it's very mess up data after the six. Suppose here, so we need to some formatting related to this. Suppose here we need only the item. Like I will increase the size. Okay, see here the amount is 33.3%, as well as here 36, and as well as here is 32. But in which reason it will? It will office supply under the sales. But reason is sales here. Office supplies, furniture, and technology. But I need here office supplies, technology, and furniture here. So what is the formatting? See, there is the detail label. Click on the detail label. There is a menu option: data value, percentage of total, category. So you need to select all detail label. Click all detail label means office supplies, technology, and furniture showing here, and you need to put off the legends. Put off to legend, and it will show you how to make your data in a an easiest way. Okay, as well as you need to font your size, like what are the requirement that office supplies, technology, furniture. Okay, as well as you need some of your understanding, like background area. If you need to choose a background like this one, or choose this one. Okay, so as per your requirement, you need to highlight your charts as well as category, and put it the header also, like title, sales by category, as well as increase the size font. Okay, put the family here, the font here is a good one font. And next to element background color, suppose black, and font color, suppose white. See, there is a great you need to prepare, but we need to remember one thing, that use pie chart until the sixth category only. If you use the 7 to 8 to 10, it will very mess up data under the pie chart. Okay, so pie chart and donut chart are the same. Donut chart is just this kind of chart like this. Otherwise, everything is same. Okay, so you need to cover pie chart and donut chart. And what is funnel chart? Funnel chart is this area. Like as per the requirement, highest is the highest bar chart, furniture is the higher bar chart, and office supplies is the higher. These are the funnel chart. Okay. So next one I will choose you. The next one is about line and clustered column chart. Okay. So when this chart is used, can anyone tell me when this chart is used? Line as well as column, both.
Graph. We can assume analyze the graph, that the position,
What is the
how it is
condition?
going,
What is the
how
condition?
it is
Like how many times?
fluctuating. Fluctuation we can analyze from it.
Yeah. Suppose there is a sales we have 4 years, okay, but we have a profit. Profit is already always fluctuating year by year, okay. So we are covered like we have a sales year wise. We have a sales year wise. What is the sales value? See, column value you can use sales, okay, and under the line value you can use your profit. See, there is a line value and use your formatting, like what is the formatting, data label on, okay, border on and shadow on, main thing. These are the sales and profit by year. Data label. See, 0.48 million sales, 0.47, and here is the profit, 50K, 62K, 82K, 93K. And as per the quarter also, see when you click over there, it's a quarter wise sales. It's a month wise sales. Okay, so these line chart used for the fluctuating chart under the profit, under the sales, as well as suppose you have one task related to what is this. Suppose you have used a credit card. Okay, you have used a credit card, and under the credit card you have one of the transaction like related to you have make some spend on some date and put in the expense. Suppose paid on the expense on another date. So there is a fluctuating time. Suppose sometimes you have paid your credit card expense until 1 month, till 30 days, but sometimes you have paid your credit card expense under 60 days, under 15 days, 45 days. So there is a fluctuating, but your credit card transaction expense is the total of the years, total of the month. Suppose in the month of Jan, you have incurred 50,000 of your credit card expense, and for the month of June, for the month of Jan, you have uh, paid your expense 15th of Feb. Okay, it means you have paid your credit card expense in just 15 days. It means it will cover just a line here, 15 days. And suppose in the next month, suppose you have a expense is a 1 lakh, and you have paid your expense for the month of February. You have paid your expense 15th April. It means 45 days. So as per fluctuating terms, you need to use a clustered column chart as well as line chart together. So any doubt in this chart? Otherwise, you need to make some visualization as well as you need to change the color from formatting here. Like legend, you need to suppose if you need to switch off this sales and profit, put it off. Here is a off. Okay, and put it some area like color. You need to put it red as well as text size, x-axis. See, there is a text size increasing. As well as you need to do a y-axis. So you need to do y-axis also. Scale linear. Okay. There is a many option like left as well as you need to right. Then here is the right one. Left. Otherwise you need to choose left one. And there is a many more formatting. You need to choose as per your requirement. Like what is the shape? Shape on like this area. Like this. When you plotted the line, it's cover the highlight line like profit chart. Okay. When you put it the off, it will not only show the line. So I put it on. There is a many option like title, background. Like on the background, you need to choose your color as per your requirement. Like suppose it's this one. See, this color is okay one as per your requirement, and put in the title and put it and color is light. See, here is the sales and profit by month. But when I put it here, sales and profit by quarter. Here, sales and profit by year. It's automatically changed. Okay. So as per your requirement, you will do any task under this Power BI. And next chart is the least but not the last. Uh, the next chart is suppose we need to put this one, clustered column chart. Under this, we are going to analyze sales and profit by the year under the column, not a line under the column chart, like two columns. Suppose here we have a order date in axis as well as values we have sales, okay, and profit we have on a base. See, here is a sales and profit, sales and profit, sales and profit, sales and profit. As well as if you need to any understanding related to this chart like sales and profit, put it the here and doing some legend of suppose and doing some data label on. And if you need to color change, you need to change the color. Suppose sales is this one and profit is this one. So you need to change your color as per your requirement, as per your background, title, background on. Suppose background is larger. This one, title is font color white. As well, see there is a many option here also, like sales by quarter. You need to add the data label, border, shadow as per the requirement. Data label already on, but data color is switch over the because of highlighted. So you need to put it here and put it color like black. See there is some highlighted as well as you need to check the size. Okay, see it's right now it's 0.36 million is the sales and 0.05 million is the profit. 0.45 million is the sales and 0.6 million is the profit. So we have covered all the visualization in this session, like Saturday and Sunday session. So any doubt related to till now?
How do we know that what visualization tool we need to add at what time? Is it any demand for the data?
Yeah, it's demand for data, and you need to directly here like get more visualization and get more. Suppose as per your requirement. Suppose if you are bored, if you are making your presentation much more impressive, then you need to put it here from a Google also. Like there is a menu option, like under the KPI. Suppose if you make a KPI, then you need to put it KPI and choose a many of your tasks and show and as per your manager requirement. Suppose it is not your requirement actually, because map is also map type, map color, or map formatting. This is all also choose by manager, but you have already do the task only. If you do the task correctly, color and formatting change after the task only. So no worry about the color formatting chart, because suppose tell you one thing. Suppose in the area, suppose in Paint 16, we have this chart and we have done all the formatting on all the charts in this. Suppose we don't need this, we need this. Okay, so click on the visualization here. Okay, and then move it to pivot. See, cover under the same chart. Okay, and see here under the visualization, there is sales, profit, sales, profit. As per your requirement by your manager, you need to change it. You need to transform your chart into the second chart. But first, you need to make your chart correct. Otherwise, color and formatting change after some time. So no need to change. No need to worry about the color or formatting. These are the changes as per the scenario. Okay, because your manager need to tell you that what presentation they want. Okay, the data they want, you are prepared only. That like data they want sales and profit by quarter, you have prepared. what is the presentation they want, they tell you. Because suppose I will tell you on the page one, as per your requirement, suppose I am maintain this sales dashboard. Some of you maintain some different dashboard. So it does not mean that my is correct and your is not correct. Everyone is correct as per the requirement. Okay. So any doubt related to this? I think we have covered all the visualization part. Some of the visualization part is pending. So as per the our correct next session, we have covered multiple visualization as well as transform data. And when we make the Power BI dashboard, then we cover all the charts together. Okay. So these are the mainly parts, but you need to make practice on every chart, every visualization. Okay, if you doubt in any visualization, then connected with me on next Saturday. Then we will cover all the doubts related to your these two sessions. Then we will start the new step transformation data. Okay, that how to transform data or how to relationship, how to make a relationship. These two, when we covered these two, like transform data next week and relationship next to next week, under the these 3 weeks, you have covered the 60% of your Power BI desktop. Okay, and more 40% is covered from the next 5 because there is some advanced level into the Power BI. Here I will just show you the single visualization, but after the some level I will show you the complete one file under which we have covered dashboard as well as reports as well as multiple dashboard in different sheet, different sheet with different visualization. Okay, in the one Excel file, we have covered the 2 3 Excel file in just like here I have already covered with the Australia order in the same Excel sheet, the same Word file, and the two Excel file, one is the data enter manually. Okay, so we have covered everything
Okay.
to this, and I have shared your data related to this one. Suppose this Excel already you have, and this Excel I will share you on the email, and this Power BI file I have also shared you. Please try to make till Wednesday as per your requirement, and please make sure all the visualization, 1 2 3, all the visualization as per your requirement. Okay, suppose this one I don't show you, so not prepared this one. Okay, map, this kind of map, this one I also not show you, so not prepared. Card, multi-row card, KPI, this is the KPI as I told you, the conditional formatting. This is the same as used under the KPI. Table, matrix table, this kind of task you have search over there as well as make practice and submit to me till Wednesday. Then on Thursday or Friday, I will check all your data and then get back to on Saturday. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So we will connect later uh, on the next session. Okay. Then any
Sure.
doubt related to this? Any query related to Power BI? Anyone? Kumar?
After doing practically, we will know how much
Yeah.
we got. After doing practically,
Yeah, right. First doing practical because in the next session, if you're not done, suppose I will do a continue session, continue. If you're not done, it will be burden on you at the end.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Correct.
So please try to make every weekend task every weekend. Because suppose next weekend I will not stop my training as well as okay. Because some of you are not doing it, some of you are doing it means it is not a beneficial for you. Okay, because if you pay to someone and if you're taking some of the training, then please make sure that you are able to do tasks, otherwise you will not get a good job. Okay, so make practice makes a man perfect. That's simple. So make practice, and any doubt related to anything, share with me on WhatsApp, Telegram, email ID. Then I will let you know if I free. Otherwise, on the Saturday I will tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Please share with your friend that
Sure,
is
sure.
joining the session as well as okay. So we are
Okay.
going to stop the session and
Sure, sure.
yeah. Okay. Bye. Good night.
Okay, yaar, bye.
Bye.
Sure. Bye. Take care. Bye. Okay.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.